We have 64x to the 2/3 power. That 2/3 is talking to these parentheses, which means it talks to everything inside. This, of course, is a coefficient, so we actually have to take that 64 to the 2/3 power. And then technically, if you need to think of it this way, this x is x to the first, and these powers get multiplied together. Or maybe it just makes sense to you that we'd have x to the 2/3 power as well. So this part, there's nothing else to do with this, but this 64 to the 2/3, I do expect you guys to be able to calculate this. And what I would like everyone to realize is that when we started this whole conversation about fractional exponents, we always started off with a numerator of 1. We started with this idea. And this was the idea that a 1/3 power is looking for the number that multiplies by itself this many times to make 64. But then, what to do with this 2? Well, this 2 sits out here like a normal power. So throughout these standard 5-1 and 5-2, what I hope is becoming more and more clear is that the numerators act like powers, and these denominators act like the index of a radical. What multiplies by itself 3 times to give me 64? 4 does that. But because there was a 2 in the numerator, I want to take that answer to the second power. So my final answer will be 4 squared, which is 16, and then of course this x to the 2/3. Good luck.